Hi and welcome. I want to introduce you to what I have called the Flip Squeeze. Now this is a high converting squeeze page. I'll show you how it works here. This is your content on the left hand side. On the right hand side is a fake image. Now this can be a video image, or it can be any type of image that you want, an order button or download button or what have you. But the effect is that people are attracted to this play button or download button here, and when they click on this, it flips to a squeeze page, and on your left hand side is a call to action, on your right hand side is your autoresponder. Now all this is possible using the page options. Now let me just go back to the page options right here. Now this is all that I did. Inside the visual editor, you'll see here that I have the headline, and to get the headline I clicked on the short code here and I chose the headline right here, Tacoma centered. That's all that I did, and I selected that font, and I put in the size of the font, and I put in the color, which is black. And so you'll see the color of this black. Yeah, this is underline, and all I did was simply just highlight here, and I chose underline. You'll see here that this here is red. Make your bold is red, and all I did was highlight this, and I went to colors, which is right here, and I chose this color right there. Okay, and then I have an image below this, and this is just my own little image, and I just obviously went to add media and added an image, and then I have some more text underneath this, which I did the same thing. I added the headline Tacoma, and I added the size of it to be 28. The color is black, and so forth. Okay, that's all that I did to get this effect right here. Now on the right hand side, you'll see a title as well. It says this video can change your life. You can add any font or any text that you want, as well as your fake video image, and I'll show you how to get that right now. Now what you want to do, you want to scroll down, and you'll see where it says squeeze page options. Now you'll see there's two sections of this. The first section is a video fake pop-up options. This controls this right here, this fake image. And the second option is the flip squeeze option, which controls the second part of this flip here. This here where it says above video, this is the text where it says right here, above video options. For example, enable above video options. It says this video can change your life, and I selected the font. Also, you can add more fonts inside the SalesPress Pro WordPress theme font management, and you can add any font that you want really from Google Fonts, and you can add the size of it, your color, and so forth. And so this video can change your life is from the above video options, and that gave me this effect right here. Okay. Next, let me move to the fake video image, and you can add a video image, you can add a download image, and so forth, and you select on video fake pop-up options, and you'll see that I have it enabled. Now you got to make sure that you select the height of the image. You put the height in right there, and this is where it says video fake pop-up message. This is going to be blank because this is going to be using the flip squeeze. But you can put any image that you want in there. You can put any URL in there, or you can upload an image URL. And you can see here that I have 3 of them already uploaded, and I can select whatever I want here. But right now this one's selected, and select image. Or you can upload your own. You see, you can simply click on browse and go to your hard drive and click on upload to upload your own image in there. And once that's selected, click on there, and that's all that I did. And so those options right there will give you this first page. Now when you click on this fake image here, it brings you to a flip squeeze, and this is how I got this effect right here. You scroll down, let me just close this up, scroll down where it says flip squeeze options, and here you can set the page content width. Right now I have it at 1100 pixels. And this controls from the left to the right. You can select how wide you want this page to be right there. Here as well, you can set the background of it. So if I want it to be a little bit more gray, like that, and if I want to save this, and And just let me now just refresh. You can see now it's a little bit more gray. So if I click on there and the whole background is gray. Now I'm not going to have that effect, so let me go back to white. There you go. And here is where you can control the text that's being played on the left-hand side. You can see if I click on here, on the left-hand side, you'll see some text and an arrow. So if I come down here to my squeeze page options, click on flip squeeze options, and you can see here that this says add any text or HTML at the opt-in level. And so here it says I have an H1 tag for headline. Enter the benefits and reasons to sign up, and then closing H1. Here I have obviously some more text right here, and obviously the text is smaller. So you can just put in any of your HTML text right in there. You see that I also have an image, and here's the image right here. Here's an image tag, and I put the alignment to right so that it's on the right hand side as opposed to over here on the left. If it's centered, it'd be in the center, but I have it on the right. And this image is pointing to the opt-in form. And you can see here that the video height and the width is only, I can have this blank because this is only an option if you're going to have this as a video instead. If I wanted it to have a video instead of a fake image, I could do that. And it would use the video options in the right here or the traffic player options. All right. So that's the flip squeeze, and make sure when you are done, you make sure that you click on the template, the flip squeeze. Now lastly, to get the autoresponder, this is simply using the autoresponder settings, and you simply go to, in your page options, you go to autoresponder options, and you just put in your opt-in form code right here, and you can see here that I have the name and the email address as selected, and so show name, show email, and I put in the text that I want to display right here. And you can see here that I have obviously the button. I've selected the button, so if you want to select a button, you can select anything that you want, or you can upload your own button, and which is what I have done right here, and that's my button right there. You can see here that has the option to add a autoresponder content box. And what this is a content box around it. You can see that it's a different color as well as your text above it. And those options are right here. Make sure you enable this. So you can see there it's disabled. So I enable the content box, and I put in some text right there. I put a couple line breaks. I put 2 line breaks so that there's a little bit of a space below that. Here you can select the color of it, the font size as well, and the font you can select. Here it's going to be instead of the title text, it's going to be a header text. This is, for example, if you want to have a title and then under that a subtitle or what have you, you can do that right here. I have left this blank, and there's all the options for that. Here you can set the width of the entire box, content box. I have it set at 340. What this is from the left to the right is 340 pixels. From this entire box width is 340 pixels. And I set the color right here. That's the color. And so that's the entire box right there, and for the autoresponder settings. And once you are done, just make sure you click update, and that obviously the flip squeeze is all done. And that's it. And that gives you this effect right here. So if I just refresh and click on here, this can be a video or it can be a download button or what have you. When they click on it, they get a cool flip effect, and it gives them this opt-in form. Thank you.